Good evening, guys. I want to welcome you to my screen. And as you can see, it's on the Infinity Profit System. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys again why this system is for every marketer that's online or every aspiring marketer. All right. So basically, this is my dashboard here. This is my setup. As you see in front of you, what you have here is a system that allows you to do multiple things, and it provides you with multiple benefits. Excuse me. The first thing I want to show you, right, is the blogging platform. All right. Now, you have your own blogging platform that you can use to pretty much talk about anything that comes to your mind, whether it's business related, whether it's personal, or whatever it is. But generally, you want to use your blog to drive traffic to your business, your product, or your service. Okay. I'll show you mine. I'll show you how it looks. I actually did this on Sunday, and I found this to be very easy to set up, very easy to customize to my liking. Okay. So bear with me for a second here while I show you that. Now again, with a blog, what you want to do is have, you know, a platform where you can drive traffic to your website. So by having a blog or utilizing your blog, you can send traffic to your websites through your blog, which is actually pretty cool too. So this is basically the first blog that I did last week on Sunday. I'm not gonna really go into it in too much detail, but I just want to show you what's possible with your blog, okay? And I did another entry that same day also. So again, not only do you have this, your own blogging platform, but let me close that out. You're actually able to add income streams. All right. Now, basically, we all know what income streams are, business opportunities that you offer to potential prospects or customers and things like that. So with this system, you're able to add up to four, all right? Four business opportunities in one platform, okay? I know a lot of people that are probably gonna watch this video have at least two or three business opportunities that they like to promote. So having your business opportunities under one platform while promoting the system itself, it makes life a lot easier, okay? So essentially what you're doing is promoting one business, but having more on the back end, okay? Um, so these are my four here, pretty much straightforward. Passive profit and a couple other ones as well. But another thing that I like about this is the fact that you can also earn residual income every single month, right? Basically, you're earning money every single month, $25 payments, $100 payments, or both, depending on which level or levels you sign up at. And this is every single month, okay? So you do work for 1 month, you get paid over and over and over again, all right? That to me is essential pretty much for everybody because we all get bills every single month, right? Bills come in every single month on time. So wouldn't it make sense to have an opportunity that you can earn income from every single month without doing much work, you know? So there's that too. Also, another cool thing about this is that you have your training for learning how to brand yourself. Now, a lot of people, a lot of new marketers don't understand the concept of branding yourself. Well, you have this in your back office to show you how to get started with branding yourself, your name creation, colors you can use, themes, logos, and things like that. All right, all in one course. Okay, so this is basically I'm gonna say 10 videos, 10, 11 videos, breaking down every single aspect of branding yourself. Okay, and that's actually a plus too. So if you're a new marketer again, you want to have your hands on something like this to learn how to brand yourself the right way, to learn how to do things the right way instead of just pitching a product or pitching a service, you know, or going from one product to one service. Excuse me, I said that wrong. I apologize. Hopping from product to service without actually, being recognized or without having some kind of a brand that people can know, that people like, and that people trust. Okay. So, sorry. So with that being said, again, this is probably one of the best systems that I've ever seen because of so many features that it has inside of it. And the fact, again, that you have all your business opportunities in one solid platform, one area, okay? Everything that you need to get started is provided to you. All the marketing, you have your capture pages, you have a contact manager just in case if you need that also. But more importantly than that, you have a rotator, you have a URL shortener, tracking pixel, tracking codes, and a whole bunch of other features that most opportunities don't have, and it's all right here for you in one platform. And you can order traffic for your business through the provider here too, which is actually pretty cool. I don't, know of many systems that have a place where you can order traffic inside the system itself. So that's very cool too. All right, so I know you guys have seen me talk about this system a lot through my post, through my videos that I share from my business page to my personal page. But I wanted to come on here and show you guys the actual system itself from my personal page. Okay, I really want you guys to understand why it is that I'm so passionate about this system in particular, as opposed to some of the other business opportunities that I have. Again, I feel that for every marketer, whether you're a beginning marketer, whether you're an experienced marketer, there's something in here for you. There's some sort of benefit that could help your business grow and that can also help your income grow as well. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little brief video. I hope you guys see the value in this system, and I hope you guys decided to come on board with me. If you have any questions, just send me a message, reach out to me, and I will be more than happy to answer these questions for you. But in the meantime, I hope you guys have a good night. I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching the video. All right, you guys take care. All right.